Coming down, coming around, giving a frown to the sound when I hit ground. I hate the way that I say I should stay when I know that I don't give a fuck about it anyway. I shake hands, I shoot smiles all around. Is I sell my body by the pound? Sign my name on a dotted line for would-be fate.